Here's how you can do the missing cow quest in Crimson Desert. Now once you've reached this part of the main story where you have to pick up 4 posters, I'm going to assume you should have picked up the missing cows poster. And this is going to be one of the first things that you're going to do. It's basically to approach this man right here and speak with him to get information at the cost of 1 coin. Now let me just press Ctrl and then press E to him. Then it should initiate the cutscene in a moment. Now once the cutscene is over, make sure to call your horse by pressing H and he should come to your side and then just follow the man. And try to listen to the stories that he's saying. Alright, once you've reached this point, all you have to do is just go to that camp right in front of you. If I press Ctrl, that's where you have to go. Then dismount, and there will be a fight ahead of you, so make sure to have some armor ready. Alright, once the battle's over, go over to your equipment right here, and then equip the lantern. Make sure to turn it on, and then point your lantern over to the bodies. Once you point your lantern to the body of the cow, it should start a learning in progress. As you can see right there. Just give it a good few seconds. Once that's done, make sure to press F2 and over on your Vision A, press space and then press play, and Hernan here should have been unlocked. Select that and you could find the missing cow and then select it to play the memory. Alright, once that's done, go back over to Bremer. And once you're back over to the farm, just approach Bremer and let the cutscene play. And the quest should be done right there. And that's pretty much about it on how to find the missing cows in Crimson Desert.